Here we come to the tunnel elevator at 1 Allen Center Office Tower in downtown Houston, Texas. Normally I don't film generic modded elevators, but something is really cool about this one, and you'll see here in a little bit. The elevator just went up to 1, so this could be a while. We should be coming down here in a moment. The elevator just left. And here it is. Button goes out. Alex McFerren has filmed this elevator before. Let's go into the court level. I rode this thing just a second ago. And it's a Dover because of the buzz. It's opening on this side. Takes forever to level. Alright, let's close up the door and listen to this motor. Do not get fooled by these Adams fixtures. Listen to this. Here we go. Epic! You can open both sides. Alright, let's go back down to the street level. This is a nice elevator. I'm glad I found this thing. Both doors are going to open. Watch the button go out. Good gosh, this thing is so slow. My god, that took forever. Almost just slow as a Schindler Hydro. Anyways, we'll ring the up chime. Oh, I think it just left. Oh well. Well, with that said, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that will be it.